So Dr. C here. So if you notice in the tube, it's not bubbling anymore, and we have all of our hydrogen gas here. So now what we want to do is we want to be able to measure the volume that's in our gas. But we want to make sure that the pressure here is equivalent to the atmospheric pressure. So what we want to do is we want to put this into this big tube of water so that the water level in the tube and the water level in our big container of water match up so that the pressures are equilibrated, and then we can measure the volume because on our odometer, it actually has numbers on it just like a burette does, okay? So what that means is I have to get my finger underneath here because we don't want any of this coming out, because if it comes out, it messes up with our volume, and put it into our big container. So with that being said, I have to put my finger all the way down here, which isn't so bad. But to put it in there, all of that has to be underwater. So I know I'm gonna get my sleeve wet. So I'm gonna roll up my sleeves. Okay, this part I won't, but the next part I will. All right, so I put my finger underneath. So where that stopper is, my finger now is plugged it up. So now I can pick it up, and I'm gonna pick it up and I'm moving it over here to this tube. Okay, so pick it up, shake it a little bit just because I don't want to spill so much, and put it in here. And now it's in, so I can actually take my hand out. And I want to get it where the volumes are the same. So right here's the same, but it's going to be hard for you to read it. So I'm going to raise it just a little bit. And if I turn it, hopefully you can read where the meniscus is. Okay. I'll even do a little point. I'll do a little point. That's where the water is. So you want to read that level. Once you think you've got it right, I'll turn a little bit more too. I'll raise it up a little so you can kind of see. Once you think you've got it, you're good.